Hi, it's Ra, Rishi Kavi Raghudas from Star Presence Astrology, here to give the astrological forecast for Monday, June 2nd, 2025. Well, once again, there's not a whole lot of astrology to talk about because most of the planets are in the very early or the very late degrees of the various signs, so when something is in the middle, there's not a whole lot going on. The sun today is at 12 degrees of let's communicate and socialize and educate our minds, learn new things, air sign Gemini. And the moon today is moving through the early and mid degrees of hyper-organized, detail-oriented, often very serviceful, sometimes quite sacrificing, earth sign of Virgo. And what that means is that those are two mutable signs, which means the energy today could be a little shifting here and there. You may be doing one thing one moment and having to deal with something else completely different at another moment. And the moon makes only two aspects today, the first of which is before dawn here in the United States, so we don't have to worry about it. You do get it in Europe and parts east. And that is the moon at 3 degrees of Virgo in an awkward inconjunct, the 150-degree adapt, adjust, accommodate angle to Pluto, the Lord of Power, at 3 degrees of Aquarius. Negotiations in order to get what you want may be in order. 2:55 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time is when that occurs. 5:55 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, 10:55 a.m. Greenwich Mean Time, mid-morning in Europe. And then the moon goes completely unaspected through the whole rest of the day. So can you imagine this? A very detail-oriented, often critical Virgo moon moving throughout the day. Be careful how you talk to people and how they talk to you today, because we're heading toward the waxing quarter moon this evening, which is a point of tension. It's the midway point between the previous new moon and the upcoming full moon. That occurs this evening, 12 degrees, 50 minutes of Virgo to the sun at 12 degrees, 50 minutes of Gemini. 8:41 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, 11:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and 4:41 a.m. Greenwich Mean Time. So it's not necessarily an easy day, even though there aren't a lot of aspects. So easy does it today. Watch your words. My guru used to say, a word is a bird. You just can't call it back. And by the way, bonus points today for anyone who can guess why I'm wearing my Sgt. Pepper shirt here today. I'm Ra, Rishi Kavi Raghudas from Star Presence Astrology. Now, if you would like to have a personal reading with me, you can book it on my website, starpresence.net. Remember, from the very moment that you're born, you've got star presence. Enjoy this day, no matter what.